Hey guys, it's Dr. James Kennedy, Texas Foot and Ankle Centers. I have a patient here that has a hammer toe. If you notice, she's got several hammer toes. And she's wanting a basic, easy solution without a surgery. Okay, I do surgeries, and if you notice, she has what we call an exostosis, or a small bone spur here. So what it is, it's a bony protrusion that's coming out, and it's giving her a lot of pain. Well, you can go in there and numb up the toe, and you could quote-unquote break the toe and try to reshape it, but I think she's kind of to the point in her life where she really doesn't want to do something that drastic. So what's going on with her is, if you look at this, this is my 19-year-old foot, and if you notice, look how straight these bones are. There's no bone spurs here, there's no exostosis here, any type of bony protrusions. And what happens, this is my 95-year-old foot, and as we mature in age, we start to develop hammer toes. We start to develop bone spurs here, bone spurs here, bone spurs on the side, bone spurs on the top. But if you notice this right here, you've got a bone spur here, you've got a bone spur here, and you've got a bone spur here, and then one right here. Well, she's got one right in that area right there. Now, I do go in there with a small in-office surgery where you put a little tourniquet here and you make a tiny little incision with what we call a beaver blade. Go in there and go percutaneous and take a small little Shannon burr, and you cut out a concave area and you squeeze it out, and the bone paste will come out and it will flatten that toe so it won't rub against the second as much. But for her purpose, I think the best thing you could do is start with a small little anti-inflammatory, and then you might start with a small silicone Slippo pad. Okay, so if you notice on the inside of this, this is a silicone pad, and on the outside, you've got a cloth pad around it, a donut pad. Okay, and you can put that on it. When a person can purchase these, and when it gets dirty, very simple. You put this inside a sock, you tie a knot in the sock, and then you wash it, and you can use this over and over again until it wears out. But if you do something like this, right on this third toe, then go right in here, this will keep the second toe from rubbing against the third. So that's a very simple, economical solution without having to do a surgery, and I think she'll be happy with it. This will not remove the bone spur, this will not get rid of all the pain, but it will get rid of the most of the pain, and that's the whole point in having a silicone Slippo pad, donut pad over the toe. I think she'll be real happy. Thanks guys, bye-bye.